Today, I will be playing some State of Decay 2. Um, this is, if I'm certain, my first real gaming video, and I'm recording with my voice. I'm pretty happy about it. Let's just get straight into the game. I'm gonna create a new one. It's basically a zombie game. Zombie survival game. That's all pretty much this is. Here, I'm just gonna replay the tutorial for anyone who's never seen this game before. This game is pretty fun. I recommend playing it, in my opinion. To be honest, it's probably only my friends watching this video. It's the truth about it. Mm-hmm. Don't know what's taking so long. This game usually takes a long time to load. That's probably why. Here, let's get straight into this. Okay, so I already have the trader favors, which means I already start with 4,000 influence. Influence is basically the currency of the game, and I am going to put that in. I actually earned that. That took a long time to get. Let's just start right in. I usually start in with these because it's pretty balanced in my opinion. But I could try a new one. Yeah, I might try a new one. Let's see here. It's really important. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one because one of them has a mechanic skill, and with mechanic skill, you can literally do crazy things. Okay, so right there, that's save K2. Just do a little run through. Zombies, killing zombies is probably my favorite thing ever. So I grab some of these supplies. Sorry, I didn't know what was going on right there. That was kind of weird. Okay, let's do this again. Just want to get this tutorial over with.
my idea to explore the camp wasn't so good after all.
Too many Z's behind us to go back now. Might as well keep looking around. That'll come in handy. Look at that. Even after this long, people kept hoping to find their families again.
Yeah, just like Mom hoping you'd come home when she got sick. Didn't happen either.
I had a job and a life, unlike some people.
Somebody had to take care of her. Sure wasn't going to be you.
I'm not getting into this again. Not now.
Opa. Must be a dodge. Oh.
What is this place?
Creepy as fuck. That's what.
Locked.
Get it off me!
That's how she was.
Looks just like the gooey one we saw outside the gate.
He bit me. I got gunk all over my shirt.
Now that is a tragedy. I guess even a zombie apocalypse can't stop red tape.
Okay.
Shit, this bite is really itching.
You always did fuss over every little scratch. Oh my God. What the hell happened here?
Jesus. Fuck.
Oh, that's even fun.
Oh, what a mess.
Is it just me, or did it suddenly get really hot?
Maybe we can find you some medicine if we keep looking.
Ooh,
That'll
machete.
come in handy.
Machete.
Yo, that's a lot of zombies.
We can get past them if we're quiet.
No!
Hey, get your butts over to the ladder!
Go, go, go!
What are you two doing? Not supposed to be any civilians here.
We thought the army might have food. Where did everyone go?
Whoever's still in charge shut it down, pulled everybody out. The army's gone, kiddo. Lucky for you, I stuck around to
This
keep
guy
an
doesn't
eye out
even know
for
where.
anyone left
It's
behind.
immediately hurt. That's so funny.
Oh, fuck, I feel terrible.
Just crushing down
I'm gonna
himself.
die.
Hon, you don't look so good.
My brother was bitten. I think it's infected. Got any medicine?
I've seen this before. You need something special. Go find the doc over at the S&B. Tell him I sent you.
The dog. So funny. Yeet.
Hey, there aren't supposed to be any civilians left in the camp. I always knew she was a softie. What do you need?
My brother is sick. I think it might be serious.
Yeah, you'd better come with me. This is like the one that bit me. What's wrong with it? We call it the blood plague. It's contagious to humans, and it takes you while you're still alive. Are you saying that's what's gonna happen to me?
Well, probably, but maybe not. Hey, you, come here.
You have a flashlight? Look for a sample case in there and
Bring me whatever you find. I've been researching blood plague in some other civilians.
found a cure that works if you use it soon after infection. The army took our lab when they left, but they didn't get everything.
We didn't get everything. Look at all this crap right here. All this equipment and stuff.
Did you find it? No cure? Damn. I'll need an infirmary to culture a new dose.
Hey, Doc, shit's getting bad out there. Thanks to all the noise, the Zeds are swarming the perimeter. This camp is done for. It's time for us to go. All of us.
You know I can't leave Jamie.
If you stay, I gotta stay. Then we both die. Jamie's gone. But this kid still needs your help.
Okay, fine. Just give me a second.
Make it quick. We don't have much time.
Before we go, I need your help.
Ooh,
That thing in
what
the
do you need
cage,
to do?
it was a person once.
Yeah, really?
I tried to reverse the effect, but we ran out of time. I don't have it in me to do what I should. Maybe you do.
Ooh, probably. Ooh, a gun? That's ooh. Us was wrong. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Eh,
I hope you're in a better place now.
Listen, I
game's
know
so
we've
funny.
had our problems, but please, don't let me turn into one of those things.
You're my
a
brother.
car!
I have your back. Always.
Thank you. I'm sorry I wasn't stronger.
Hey, come here for a sec, will you?
Okay, let's think. I'm gonna do the foothills.
Sounds like a plan. All right, time to go. Big sister's got the wheel.
Wee woo,
So how do we
wee
survive
woo.
without the army around?
We keep going. If we stick together, we can survive anything.
Bum bum. That's the intro.